Okay, well, I guess it's time we do a remake of this Mistral in the spare bedroom of my house. It's been a while since we've done a video on it, so I think we should do a video on it. So, I'll do all the speeds again. I won't use spin down this time because I did it last time. There it is. There's a hole in the ceiling. I'm not going to go into detail for that. The controller's still the same. I'm just going to move the door so it doesn't hit it. Is the last thing we want. So it needs to be able to clearly miss it, otherwise it's not very safe. Start it off from low to high. There we go. It's got quite a nice low speed, this thing. I had some complaints in the last video I did of it that I didn't let it spin up long enough, so we'll leave it another minute. That's probably about as fast as you'll get for the low speed. It's quite nice. That's speed 2. Quite a nice speed 3. This thing does actually get used frequently enough, but not much anymore because it's not summer. Yes, we've had the air conditioner changed since the last video. It's now reverse cycle, not evaporative. It's a Dakin. As you can see, this is why we keep it away from the door. Those wobbles it hits it. Wouldn't be very good. These things do get up to speed pretty quick. This thing is a very quick fan.